Conroe's Incredible Pizza. Despite frequenting amusement parks, something about Incredible Pizza makes me so happy. Maybe it is just a beautiful business model. Incredible Pizza is a 50s themed pizza buffet with 4 themed areas. The Starlight Drive-In has a generic family movie playing for you to watch while you eat. The Diner is a classic diner area, though I normally don't eat there. The Family Room is a house-themed room, though much of its theming was removed for social distancing. And my favorite, Central High Gymnasium, is a sports-themed high school gym eating area. For the buffet, Incredible Pizza has more than just pizza, salad, and pasta. They also cater to kids with corn dogs, tacos, and other various food to make a fairly decent buffet lineup. The food quality isn't great, with the pizza being edible and slightly worse than Cece's. But the dessert lineup is nice, and I really enjoy being able to get my soft-served ice cream along with a good lineup of cinnamon rolls, cobblers, etc. Plus, the Coca-Cola Freestyles add a nice touch to the overall food lineup. After paying for entry, either buying a package or a buffet, the purpose of Incredible Pizza is to enjoy the games and attractions in the fairgrounds. Conroe's Incredible Pizza offers a couple different deals, but the eat and play combos for $21, only $10 more than the buffet, makes the most sense as an hour of gameplay and 2 attractions is about what you'll want to do back in the fairgrounds. The hour of gameplay allows you to enjoy all of the non-ticketed games. Unfortunately, Incredible Pizza has been replacing their video games with a focus on adding more ticketed games, making the hour of gameplay not as good as it should be. Still, skee ball, racing video games, basketball shooting games, and even a small little retro area should keep you busy for the whole hour, plus all the other video games I didn't mention. I would also suggest saving a long game like DDR or air hockey to play at the very end of your hour to extend your time, since the hour only applies to when you swipe. They also offer a $35, $45 on weekends, plus tax, package that includes the buffet, a limited everything for 3 hours, plus a $5 game card. Of note, the 3 hours would start after your first swipe, so you could eat, play for 3 hours, then go back to eat some more. If you want to enjoy a large amount of attractions, this would definitely be the way to go. For the attractions, my favorite is mini golf. The mini golf course is themed to Route 66 and includes some decent theming. None of the holes are crazy hard, but some can be a little bit tricky, especially when you just can't sink your putts. The mini bowling is my second favorite, as it allows you to play a game of bowling in a short amount of time. With the updated systems, they're even using the exact same screens that many real bowling alleys would be using today. Laser tag offers a decent, though not great, laser tag experience. The go-karts offer a basic loop track, though after riding bigger go-karts, I prefer this style of track since you actually have a chance to try and pass the people you're racing, especially when you're racing people you know. They also have a virtual reality attraction if you're feeling super adventurous. The bumper cars is where the ice skating used to be, and you can tell that by the snow theming, though it's not really an upgraded change, but one can understand the operational expense of an ice rink and why bumper cars was an easy replacement. I'm not a big fan of spending money on the ticketed games, since obviously you're putting a lot of money into the machines for not that much return in tickets. Though, my brother is a huge fan of the coin pushers, with the SpongeBob coin pusher being by far the most enjoyable. Overall, Conroe's Incredible Pizza is one of my favorite places to visit. It is a unique way to have dinner while also having an experience for 3 to 4 hours of your evening. There may be some things to pay attention to as far as pricing, but $21 plus tax per person is not a bad price at all, considering how much dinner dishes are going for at restaurants these days.